we spot that it is a select in passage question type, and we need to select a sentence whose function is to indicate the breadth of capabilities of the person at the center of the passage. This is our approach for solving the select in passage questions, and we just completed the first step. The second step is to read the paragraph carefully and develop a mind map that duly connects the key points in the passage. This passage starts by raising a question about whether this scientist should be considered remarkable. Then the passage develops a case for why this scientist should be considered remarkable. Then the passage has a contrast trigger followed by a case for why this scientist should not be considered remarkable. That's our mind map here. So we duly completed the second step here, and now we will go by elimination using the answer choices to our advantage. We need to select a sentence whose function is to indicate the breadth of this scientist's capabilities. The first sentence simply raises a question. It doesn't talk about capabilities. Even the second sentence does not talk about capabilities. We should hold on to the third one, the fourth one. Fifth sentence should be eliminated because it introduces a contrast. The next sentence talks about his limitations and not capabilities, whereas the last sentence does talk about certain roles that the scientist played. Therefore, this sentence, the next sentence, and the last sentence are the only ones worthy of consideration here. Out of these three, the last sentence is the easiest to eliminate because this talks about the scientist's capabilities more from the point of view of the limitations that he had rather than the breadth of capabilities that we are looking for. This answer choice is more about the scientist's accomplishments, and this largely talks about his accomplishments as an astronomer. Everything mentioned here is from the point of view of the accomplishments this scientist had in capacity of being a gifted astronomer. Therefore, this answer choice does not do justice, which is breadth of his capabilities. Whereas this sentence talks about his gifts not only as something but also as something else and something else. Therefore, this answer choice does indicate the breadth of this scientist's capabilities. This sentence is the correct answer choice. If you got this question correct and through a thorough, complete reasoning, excellent job. This sentence here is the correct answer.